Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook snapping turtle. First, ensure the turtle is humanely dispatched and thoroughly cleaned. Carefully remove the head, entrails, and the entire shell. You will find 7 distinct sections of meat, including 4 leg pieces, 2 tenderloins, and the neck. Soaking the meat in salted water for at least 12 hours helps tenderize it significantly, preparing it for your chosen recipe. Snapping turtle meat can be quite tough, so tenderizing is a crucial step. One effective method is boiling the meat for at least 30 minutes until it becomes fork tender. Alternatively, a pressure cooker can achieve similar results in 20 to 30 minutes, saving you time. For a different approach, marinating the meat in acidic liquids such as vinegar or lemon juice overnight also helps break down the muscle fibers, enhancing both tenderness and flavor. Once tenderized, snapping turtle meat is versatile for many dishes. Frying is a popular choice. After boiling, dredge the pieces in seasoned flour and fry until golden brown for a delicious, crispy exterior. Stewing or braising the meat slowly in a flavorful broth creates a wonderfully tender and rich meal. And of course, a classic turtle soup, often made with all 7 meat sections, offers a hearty and traditional culinary experience. Snapping turtle meat offers a distinctive flavor profile, often described as a blend of chicken, pork, and even a hint of fish. It is quite lean, so moist cooking methods are ideal to prevent it from drying out. When serving, consider pairing it with hearty sides like mashed potatoes, rice, or roasted vegetables. A rich gravy or a flavorful sauce can also beautifully complement the meat's unique taste, making for a memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.